Right, the next section, 3.5, is about organic reactions. There are 4 types of organic reactions. All right, every reaction that we're going to do has to fall in to one of these 4 types of reactions. There are no more than 4 types. All right, the first one is called an addition reaction. I'll give you examples. An addition reaction basically means when 2 or more compounds come together. Compounds come together. All right. In Gen Chem, you learn about these 2, an addition reaction. So let's just take one reaction. We're going to talk a lot about this reaction, this chapter, and starting the next. So I'm taking a double bond and adding hydrochloric acid to it, and the hydrochloric acid adds to the molecule. You actually bond the hydrogen and the chlorine to the molecule. So that's an addition reaction. Notice this hydrogen here added, because I have 2 hydrogens here, now I got 3 hydrogens, and this chlorine added to the carbon. So that's an addition reaction. Second one is elimination. Elimination is the opposite of an addition. Okay, let's just put that, opposite of an addition. Or you can say when atoms leave the molecule. And when you do eliminations, you usually form a pi bond. Okay, not always. I can't think of a case where it's not, but I'm never going to say the word never because there's always an exception. So you usually form a double bond. So if you were to take that molecule that we just made, and then if you add some sort of base to it, we'll learn about this reaction, and you usually have to heat it. Don't worry about the reaction. I just want to show you an example. But what happens is you eliminate H and Cl, and you form a double bond. So that's an elimination reaction. Here's where molecules are leaving your molecule. I guess you can look at it like that. Since it's the opposite, 2 or more atoms leave your molecule. All right. The third type is a substitution. We will talk a lot about substitution reactions. Substitution reactions. And this is where you substitute one group for another group. You're not really adding anything, and nothing's leaving. I guess technically both things are happening. You're adding and you're leaving, but you're basically substituting. All right. So your product in this case is where the OH substitutes for the chlorine. Your chlorine is no longer there, and your OH substituted for it. So yes, something is leaving, but something's also being added to it. It's not like something's just completely leaving and nothing's going in place of it, or nothing's getting added onto it. Then the fourth one, we're really not going to see many of these. It's called a rearrangement reaction. All right, and it's exactly as it says. Nothing gets added, nothing gets removed. All that happens, everything stays the same, except it just gets rearranged. All right, so taking this cis molecule, by adding acid to it, you can transform it into the trans molecule. So that's a rearrangement. Nothing changes. You still have the same exact molecule, it just has rearranged into a different molecule. So that's what the rearrangement is.